Hey everyone, stoked to have you tuning in today because we're about to jump headfirst into a creative world where technology, art, and fun collide. If you've ever played around with Snapchat's filters or lenses, you probably know how addictive and, let's be honest, hilarious they can be. But have you ever thought about making your own? Well, Snap just changed the game with a huge announcement, and trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. Let's set the scene. Until now, creating Snapchat lenses was mostly the domain of pros, using advanced desktop apps designed for developers who knew their way around code and design. If you've ever pictured AR creators as mysterious tech wizards hunched over computers, you wouldn't be far off. But Snap just made a move that brings those magic tools to literally everyone. Yes, including you. Snapchat has launched 2 brand new standalone apps, Lens Studio for iOS and a web version of this creative suite. That means, whether you're chilling on your couch with your phone or working on your laptop in a coffee shop, you can start making your very own AR lenses. No more feeling left out of the AR party, and it gets even better. You don't need to be a coding prodigy or design guru anymore. The new Lens Studio app is beginner-friendly, letting you whip up AR magic using simple text prompts and basic editing tools. Think about it, tapping out a few creative ideas, like a pair of sunglasses that change color with your mood, or a pizza that dances when you smile, and watching them come to life as AR lenses. Not only can you dream up totally new effects, but you can also add your Bitmoji into the mix. Ever wanted to see your cartoon self doing the cha-cha on your own screen? Now you can. The app even lets you browse trending templates. That's right. If you need a spark of inspiration, you can scroll through what's hot and put your own twist on it. Whether it's for an inside joke, a celebration, or just something to make your friends laugh out loud, lenses are now your playground. Here's something worth pausing on. Snap isn't leaving the pros in the dust. While these new tools open the door for beginners, the classic desktop app is still there for professional developers. In fact, Snap just released even more advanced features for the pros. Tools designed for building interactive Bitmoji games. Imagine turn-based gameplay, customizable controls, and a world where your Bitmoji can adventure in all kinds of new ways. For the aspiring AR creator, that's seriously next level. But don't get it twisted, unlocking AR creativity for everyone is the headline here. If you ever scrolled through lenses and thought, hey, that could be way cooler if this is literally your moment, whether you're a student, a meme maker, a trendsetter, or someone who's just curious, you have instant, easy access to shape the future of AR content. Let's not forget, Snap's no stranger to leading the pack in AR. They've been at it since the early days, rolling out filters and lenses long before most of us knew what AR even meant. Now, with these tools, they're doubling down on the vision, especially as some other big players are walking away from AR creation. Snap wants you to have the spotlight. So, what would you create first with Lens Studio's new AI-powered on-the-go editors? Something funny? Something beautiful? Or how about an effect nobody's seen before? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. And if you're the kind of person who hates missing out, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll keep you up to date with all the coolest tech news and creative breakthroughs. You definitely won't want to miss what's next. Just imagine a future where your inside jokes are lenses, your moods are Bitmoji animations, and you can craft your own AR universe wherever you are. That future is starting right now, and you're officially invited to be part of it. Stick around, get inspired, and who knows, maybe your creation will be the next to go viral. Thanks for listening, and happy creating!